Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to watermark images in Wix. This is a great way to protect your original photos and graphics on your website, ensuring your brand or signature is visible on every image you display. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading to the Wix website. Open your browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your website settings and content. Now, you should see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add an image and create a watermark. It's important to confirm you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites under your Wix account. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen, which is where all the design and customization magic happens. Once you're in the editor, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear, showing you all the different types of elements you can add to your site. This menu is your gateway to images, text, buttons, and much more. From the expanded menu, locate the image element and click on it. From here, select the image you wish to use and add a watermark to. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a stock image and replicate a watermark creation, since Wix doesn't let you create a watermark directly inside the web editor anymore. This workaround is just as effective and gives you full control over the design. Once you've set the image on your page, click on it. You'll see an Edit Image button located on the top side menu. Click on it and you will be directed to the Wix Photo Studio. This is where you can make detailed edits to your image, including adding text, filters, and adjustments. Under the Photo Studio, locate the text section and click on it. From the list of text fonts, choose what type of font you wish to use as a watermark. Then simply drag it onto your image to position it where you want. Once the text is added, customize its font and size to replicate a watermark. Simply reduce the opacity so it's subtle and not overpowering. Then rotate the text at an angle if you prefer a diagonal watermark look. This gives it that authentic watermark feel. To cover more of the image, duplicate the text and scatter it all over. This ensures your watermark is visible across the entire image, making it harder for anyone to crop it out or remove it. Once you're satisfied with the placement and appearance, save your changes. You've now successfully created a watermark on your image in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.